How to find recently watched videos on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to find recently watched videos on Facebook. So first thing, just head over to your Facebook application, and once you're inside here, just tap on this profile section at the top right corner, right next to the messenger icon, and scroll down until you see the settings and privacy, and under the settings and privacy, just tap on settings. So once you're inside here, scroll down all the way until you see the option called activity log under the your activity section. So just tap on it, and once you tap on it, and now at this top section you can scroll down or you can scroll right away like this. In this blue section right over here, you can see there's an option called videos watched. So just tap on it, and you'll be finding all of the videos you have watched till now on Facebook. And if you wish to clear all of the video watch history, you can just tap on this clear video watch history option over here, and it will clear all of your watch history as well. So I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.